Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your business? Say hello to NinjaPipe, the AI-powered CRM and sales platform. With NinjaPipe, streamlining your leads, closing more deals, and turning clients into loyal fans has never been easier. Track all your leads, whether they come from Facebook, Instagram ads, or any other source. NinjaPipe's mobile and web app make lead management super easy. Never miss a follow-up again. Intelligent AI workflows automate messaging, ensuring you stay on top of everything. With powerful workflows, design your own email, SMS, and marketing automations easily. No technical experience needed. Create pipelines to manage your sales, marketing, hiring, and more. Need to send out invoices? Generate them with a simple click, and better yet, automate them. You can even invite your clients to NinjaPipe to share documents and chat with them in a branded customer portal. Got a team? Invite everyone to your workspace, assign tasks, and watch your work move faster. It's time to give all your team members superhuman powers. NinjaPipe also integrates with 10,000 plus of your favorite apps, boosting your team's productivity. So what are you waiting for? Join the revolution of sales and CRM. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to NinjaPipe. See you there.
Contrary to popular belief, NinjaPipe isn't a plumbing service, but we've definitely got pipes. With NinjaPipe's pipeline feature, you can create custom Kanban boards for different purposes. Say you need a way to track all your leads coming in from Facebook ads, or maybe you need a way to plan the social media content. Whatever that need is, you can design different swim lanes and move cards across them. Choose from a template or create your own pipeline from scratch. We keep adding new templates to help you get started faster. If you don't want to manually create these cards, you can even automatically create these cards using our workflow designer so that when new events happen in your NinjaPipe CRM, for example, a new lead entering your business can be automatically tracked here. You can also assign these tasks to people in your team. Or if you think Ryan is slacking, make sure you assign a deadline as well. Maybe even set a priority so Ryan can see how important this is. Stupid Ryan. That's it. Go ahead and create some pipelines in your NinjaPipe CRM and start tracking literally everything.